Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will assemble these G fans. One is the 64 miniatures diorama. I got these at the toy show last Sunday, and this particular one is it's a garage, I guess it's a Porsche Garage, which is nice. So these are the walls. Yeah, as you can see, it's Porsche on the garage door. Some RWB poster on the wall, and there's a instruction. Nice instruction, very simple instruction. There's also a acrylic panel. I figured this will be the front casing. I'm not sure. Let's see. Have some I don't know what this one is. And this one, some LED lights, and the base. G fans. So let's assemble it. Nice. So here it is, guys. The finish. It's easy to assemble. The only thing you're gonna have a hard time to put is the roof, because you need to lock it in, and you can use glue to make it permanent, or you just leave it like that, and just make sure that everything snaps and tight. But like I said, it's a Porsche Garage RWB, so we gotta put some RWB inside. Yeah. Just like that. Nice. It's good for display and photography. So if you guys want to buy some, just check online, G fans diorama. They also have a lot of different style, like a exotic cars, GDM, Nissan, Honda, Ferrari, I think they have it too. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.